Alright, so a little backstory. I'm from Batavia, Illinois, and my dad every year makes a Halloween display. We live right on the Fox River, so we put it up in the backyard so people going by can see it. This year's theme was a pirate ship, which I will show you in a minute. Just bear with me. That's the back of the ship. And he built this completely from scratch and hoisted it up on top of the arbor without any extra equipment or anything. Complete with talking pirate skull. And down below, as you can see, there's a skeleton dog holding a bottle of wine, a pirate drinking a bottle of wine, some more pirates and treasure chest. And that's supposed to be a map of Batavia, which the river is accurate. And as you can see, it's very textured and detailed. And the front of the ship has a mermaid. And on the back of the ship, you can see there's a gigantic skull and the letter G above it, which is a representation of our last name. So yeah, this is Halloween 2015, Batavia, Illinois' awesome Halloween display.